Yo, I mean people that don't know, say your favorite Jamaican YouTuber, Yaadman, Etan, and I have some very exciting news for you. Alright? I would like to introduce all of you to the Yaadman Lounge. You must be wondering, what is the Yaadman Lounge? No, let me explain. So I have this feature on my channel now called membership, where my subscribers are able to pay. Wait, don't leave. Let me explain. Alright, I know I said the P word, but let me explain. Subscribers of my channel are able to pay monthly memberships for different benefits on this channel. Alright, so now I've broken the lounge up into 3 different tiers. Alright, so firstly we have the VIP lounge, and for the VIP lounge it's going to cost $1.99 per month. For $1.99 you get your own personalized badges that you get to show off every time I go live in the live chat. Alright, you get emojis created by myself that you get to use in my live chats, and of course I'm going to do members only live chats just for my members, so I get to speak with you directly. For $4.99 a month you get backstage access, and for backstage access you get everything in the VIP lounge as well as customized shoutouts and drops from Yaadman himself. If you want a shout out for your own channel, if you want a shout out for somebody for their birthday, listen to me. Just shout Yaadman from in the VIP lounge. Me and you, we're good. Just let me know what you want me to say. I got you. And then the last level, the biggest tier to this, is all access. And for all access, you get everything in the VIP lounge. You get everything backstage. For the all access, I am going to be able to share videos with you guys before anyone else on this channel. So you'll be the first set of people to see new videos by Yaadman, as well as videos just for you, allowing you guys to be able to get an idea of what it's like for me to create content. If you are curious or interested in supporting Yaadman in the Yaadman Lounge, in this new membership feature on this channel, then I would greatly appreciate that, and you would definitely be contributing to me creating content on my channel. Now I must say, if you don't become members for this channel, you lose absolutely nothing, because I am still going to be the same old Yaadman uploading for all of my subscribers on YouTube. This is just for you to say you're members of the Yaadman Lounge. So people them, thank you so very much for your love and support. Yaadman out.